Do you know? If you want to be a good speaker, what should you do? You should do several things. First, practice. Practice is so important in English. If you want to speak better, if you want to speak fluently, if you want to speak like a native speaker, you will have to practice. Without practicing, nobody can improve themselves. So if you want to speak like a native speaker, so definitely you will have to practice. Otherwise, you can't improve. Second thing that you do, that is listening. Listening is so important than speaking, because whenever we speak something, we can't learn something. But whenever we listen something, we can learn something. So I think listening is so important than speaking. So always you should listen at least 1 hour. It will help you to improve your English. And third is reading. Reading also so important, and sometimes you can get some new words whenever you will read. In reading, you will find lots of things. Sometimes you will find some advanced word, and that you should write down to your paper, and it will help you that you don't know the word, and in the next time it will help you to know. You can, what kinds of word you don't know the meaning, then you will write down this word, and from the dictionary you can find the word and you can learn the meaning. And fourth is writing. Writing is also important, because whenever we speak English, we can't get lots of times to think, but in writing we find lots of times. We can write some paragraph, some composition, we can write articles every day. It will help us to improve our English. Whenever you will think that today I will write down articles, then you will think lots of times and you will write them very well. But whenever you will speak the same things, you will make mistakes, because in speaking we don't have lots of times to think. So we'll have to write down a paragraph per day to improve our English.